Hey, what does snow feel like in Vancouver? It's great, guys. Goodly diddly neighborino, awesome. So awesome. So when people are like, yeah, I want to know what snow's like, it looks really fun. Okay, maybe a little, but for the most part, not that fun, guys. Like, it looks great in pictures and all, but if you actually experience it, step through it, slipping and sliding, not so much fun. But on a more interesting topic, is that I just want to thank all you guys, the ones that, you know, watch me day in and day out. I'm trying not to step on puddles right now and die. Because I'm grateful. I am so grateful. Because exactly 1 year ago, a lot of people doubted me, right? A lot of people were like, I wouldn't even get past 100. But this video is going to be more like along the lines of like an update video of where this channel is headed. I'm going to try to go all in, you know, see more crazier stuff. But at the same time, it's like, I want your guys' input. Like, what kind of videos do you want to see? What more of what do you want to see? And me, I'm not trying to die on the streets right now and slip and slide. Jesus. Ugh. Like, look at this. Ugh. Not fun. But that's what snow is like in Vancouver. The city is not meant for snow, it's more meant for rain. But shout outs to Aria, Ellie, and a bunch of other people that wanted snow. Here's your darn snow. Just look at it. Look at it. Honestly, I would rather live in like somewhere where it's humid and dry all the darn time instead of random rain and coldness. While I wait for this bus, I guess one of the things like living in Vancouver, it's like you complain about the weather too much. You know, I'm so guilty. But this channel is going to be more about me. You get to know me, trust, and a lot of interesting things are going to be coming. And I'm not one of those guys that are going to be like, all talk, no walk. I'm all about running, sprinting, and then falling and then coming back up again. So thank you guys for watching. So grateful. I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.